having a lovely day, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you could get a notification every time I post a video. Please don't forget to share, hit like, and comment down below. So today's video, a try on haul all my maxi dresses for summer. I have quite a bit, so I want to go ahead and show you guys all the dresses that I got from Amazon. Don't worry, I will put all the link in the description box so you could go ahead and check it out if you are interested. And if I don't find the link, because they're probably sold out, I might find something kind of similar to it. But you know, normally Amazon will restock again. But another thing, just want to let you guys know, I'm not a sponsor or anything like that. I bought all these dresses with my own money. And so let's go ahead and get started. So today I'm going to show you this beautiful dress, and they are affordable maxi dresses. I love maxi dresses. This is one of them, which I will show you guys that later. And it's just so easy. You just throw it on, put some sandals, some accessories, and whatever handbag you want, and you're good to go. If this is perfect for the beach too. I love this one. It's very comfortable. The fabric is really good. But anyway, I will get to that one later. So let's go ahead and start with this one. This is really good for like maybe go out a dinner or something. Very nice, very pretty. The fabric is really good. I'm very surprised. The quality of the dresses are amazing, and the best part of this, it has a pocket. I love pockets. I did not know it came with a pocket until I saw that. And this is it. So it's like, with a stripe, and that's how the dress, and it's very, very long. Let me see, did you get that over here? I will put a picture somewhere in here on the screen so you could go ahead and see how it looks. How it looks on. So yeah, this is the dress. I'm gonna get it close to you guys so you could kind of see the fabric yourself, but I cannot really tell you what the fabric is. Maybe cotton. It's stretchy, let me get it close to you. And it's kind of heavy, like not like a heavy, but if you get the dress, you will know what I'm trying to say. It's kind of like, I don't know, because maybe it's over here, this part right here makes it a little heavy, but I mean, it's beautiful, perfect for summer or every day. Just throw on with some black sandals, maybe some heels. It depends on how you want it. If you want to dress it down or dress it casual, it's up to you. It all depends with jewelry and whatever you put on shoes. If you sandals, it might go very casual. If you put some heel, it will kind of dress it up. So this is perfect dress for summer. I really love that one. The next dress, which I love this one, and I cannot wait to get more of this one with different color. This dress is gorgeous. I actually saw it and I couldn't believe it. It is pretty. So let me go ahead and show you. You probably will not figure it out, but once you see it on the screen, you will see. But this is the dress, green, which is very rare. I get something green because I don't really like green colors like that. Actually, I do have few stuff in green, which is weird, but anyway. So let me show you the bottom part first before I show you this. It's very, very, very long, perfect. Look how long it is, and it has some details over here. I really, really love this one. You do not need a bra for this one in case. Look at this. This is the front part, and it would tie up in front, your neck like this. And let me show you the back so you could see why it is so wide on the on the side, like right here, why it's so wide. So you will adjust it like this. Depends of your waist. You just adjust it with that. See? And it could go smaller. There you go. Well, now it's not gonna go smaller because it's not tied up, but you get the idea. And this is the back. Let me show you the back. That is the back. It is a very, very, very comfortable. I love the fabric. It kind of see-through, so make sure you wear something. I mean, if you don't care about, you know, see-through dresses, which this is a dark one. So, but let me show you what I mean. See, you could see me. Let me wave. Hi, maybe you could see it. I don't know. But it's very cute. It has so many different colors. I think it comes in pink, yellow, khaki, orange, which I like that one. I want to get that one, and it's very affordable. This one, all my dresses are size small, but it is very, very beautiful. With this one, you could just wear some wedges, sandals, have like a nice pretty handbag, beachy look. So you can wear this on the beach. Actually, they actually have white too. They have a white one too. Very pretty, very pretty. I really, really love this dress. I think I want to get it in two other different color. And if you're the type of person who do not want to wear something like this because you don't want to show your back, or you feel intimidated by your back, you could always put like a jean blazer or something to cover your back a little bit. But this dress is very pretty. Once you get it, you'll be like, wow, it is gorgeous. Next is this another beautiful dress, and it's with this color. It's like a teal color with some flower. Love the fabric. It's very soft. I think this one has pockets too. Maybe, yes, it does. It has pocket right here, which I love. Doesn't come with straps, so it actually comes like this. Very, very nice, pretty for throw on some. You could throw on some heels, some wedges, some sandals, dress it up, dress it down, however you prefer. This is the front. It has these little nice details over here. Let me show you how long it is. And let me get it closer so you can see the fabric, how it kind of looks. I'm all about little details, so if I could see anything closer, I mean, I'm all about that. And let me show you the back. This is the back. It has a little elastic, and it's the same on the front. And it's very pretty. The fabric is very soft, like I said, perfect for summer. If you go to a vacation, just throw it on in your luggage, and you know, easy to put on. And with this one, you could do the same thing. If you do not want to show your back or your shoulders or whatever, you could just buy some jean jackets, you know, with a short sleeve, and just throw it on with this, and you'll be good to go. Next, it is this beautiful dress, which I love, and I also gonna get me some more of these in a different color. I think I want it in 2 more colors. I gotta hurry up and get it before it's sold out, because this maxi dresses, whew. But this one is so beautiful. Look at this, guys. Don't you think this is perfect for the beach, or like you go on a date or something, you know, like a beach, when you're in the beach with your date or husband. So let me show you how this, so this is the bottom. Let me get it closer. You can see the details of this dress. You see that, guys? The little dots. It's actually, you could feel them. Like, let me get it a little closer. Can you see that? It is so cute, and it's very, very long. And you see this, and it has the little it has the inside part too, see, but it's a little kind of see-through. Make sure you wear some good underwears with good color, so it will not actually see through. But it's not really that bad. I mean, I don't have a problem with it. If you do, don't buy white. Maybe go and get a darker color. Like any of these dresses, make sure if you don't want nothing to show, then get them in a dark color. You don't have to worry about this one because it's not see-through, I don't think. I haven't tried them on. And let me show you this part right here. This is so adorable. This is what sold me, besides the fabric. This is so cute, so girly. I love it. I love this part right here because it looks so girly. I really like this style, and it's super long, and you could wear these with wedges, sandals. You could wear heels, open toe heels. Has like nice bag or a Vichy bag. This is so beautiful. I think I saw like a blue color, a wine color. I want to say maybe yellow, but I'm not 100% sure. And they had this color too, I think. But it is very pretty. I can't wait to get and order a few more with different colors. So yeah, that is the dress. This is so pretty. I will put pictures somewhere around here in the screen. I don't know which part, but. And then the one I'm wearing, I will show you guys how this dress look. And somewhere over here on a screen, it is blue. It is very flowering, not flowering. You know, you get the idea what I'm trying to say. And it's very comfortable. The fabric is so soft. It's perfect for summer, especially when it gets those hot summer. You don't want to wear anything, but you don't have no choice. You still gotta wear clothes. This dress is the one. This dress is very lightweight. The fabric, and it has the same details of this one. And here, let me show you guys. See? And this is the back, and it has a strap, and you could adjust it. And it's very cute. Let me see if you can see that part right here. It is so pretty, and I love it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit like and share my video. That will help me a lot. Share. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you can get notification every time I post a video. I will put the link on my description box of all these dresses that I mentioned here, so you could go ahead and check it out. And no further ado guys, I hope you have a beautiful day. Love you guys. Ciao.